From the lakes to the valleys, where the maples grow tall, in Genesee County, I'm the one you should call. Whether you're listing your homestay or looking to buy, don't let the soul signs just pass you by. So let's get started. Put your keys in the door. Get the space that you need and a whole lot more. I'm turning dreams into addresses every step of the way. Yeah, your future is waiting. Let's start it today. Just call 602-198-0949 or drop